Hi, I'm Mike Lambert, used car manager, buyer, and appraiser for Central Maine Motors Auto Group. I'm here to tell you today about Central Maine's huge selection of wholesale to public vehicles that are available for you for a great price. We get all the wholesale to public vehicles in on trade. Before they go to the auction, we put them out on the lot for you to buy at an extensive savings at auction pricing. The '09 GMC Yukon is a wholesale to the public vehicle. What that means to you is it is as is, where is. It needs a few minor cosmetics or little seeps and small leaks, things like that. If you're a handyman or a do-it-yourselfer, these are great buys to save a lot of money. This vehicle retails for $16,900. You can get it for $11,500. For instance, we have this '06 Toyota Tacoma on sale for $10,900, wholesale to the public. Retail on this vehicle is $16,900. So it's a really great buy for the guy that can do a little bit himself, a little bit of body work. The great thing about buying a wholesale to the public vehicle is we do an extensive check on them. So we've done a state inspection, we've driven it down the road, make sure it runs and drives good, and there's also an unsafe motor vehicle guide on the side of it that tells you exactly what's wrong. So when you're buying this, you have peace of mind knowing exactly what's wrong. We sell anywhere from 15 to 30 of these per month and always have 30 to 45 in stock at all times.